guess where we just moved to? That's Kata and Karon Beach on Phuket Island, Thailand.
Here's our housekeeper, Miss Rhea. She's sweeping all the sand off the floor. So we sure track in a lot of sand from the beach.
You should probably sweep inside.
And there's Hope. One of the things we love about this apartment is this incredible veranda. The ocean is that way.
This is the view from our apartment, right here.
This is our part of the veranda right here. We spend a lot of time hanging out here almost every evening. We have a little barbecue and lots of nice plants. And this is kind of like our outdoor living room. And here's a little glimpse of the neighborhood looking up the mountain. We're halfway up the mountain in Phuket, near Kata Beach and Karon Beach.
And the ocean is right over that way.
Down that way, it's hard to see in the picture, but that's the ocean. It takes us about 15 minutes to walk to the beach. There's a really cute girl. She did not come with the apartment.
Let's take a look inside.
A second cute girl. Yeah, a nice kitchen table.
Kitchen.
Check out our kitchen. Couple things that are a little different for Asia. We have a full-size fridge. It's the first time we've had a fridge that big. And over here, that is an oven. And you don't see very many ovens here in Asia. This is pretty rare to have that.
There's lizards everywhere. This guy here is in our kitchen.
He's fat.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh my gosh. In this place, like here in Thailand, there's so many lizards everywhere.
Thailand is the home of lizards.
That's like right on our kitchen cabinet. So our apartment is 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
This apartment is pretty big. Here's our living room. That's the spot where Hope and Rhea hang out all the time.
So this is a pretty big apartment overall. Here's the living room, the TV.
And we have 2 bedrooms.
And then right here is our bedroom. Oh, oops, we didn't make our bed.
Hey Hope, where's the spot where you broke your elbow?
Oh, I broke my elbow right down there on that floor.
Always gonna remember this apartment in Phuket, Thailand.
We have our bathroom. Breaking my elbow was super painful. It really hurt a lot. And here is the parents' bedroom, Mommy and Daddy. And they have their own bathroom in here.
Here's a little glimpse at our neighborhood.
There's also a small swimming pool. We're gonna show you that, but first there's more creepy crawlies.
Lizards. Let me show you. Got this one right here. And over here we find another one. We had one inside the house earlier today. It's probably still in there. We couldn't catch him.
I think lizards are kind of cute, but at the same time they're weird and annoying. And the centipede is just scary because it's a centipede, and centipedes are scary. At our apartment, we have a pool.
Here we are in our own little swimming pool. Hi, cutie. Yeah, there's no other kids staying here, so we're the only ones using this pool. It's like it's all our own. And what are the grown-ups doing? The grown-ups are chilling out drinking some singa. And editing video.
So overall, our apartment's really big and we have a really nice view. In our next videos, we'll be exploring Phuket. Hit the subscribe button!